Now, your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So it just took a little bit of heating to get the temperatures rising. We're at 85 degrees right now from a morning low in the upper 70s and a lot of sunshine out there. We'll have a heat index of 94 currently, going up to probably about 100 for a daytime high heat index, and the winds are out of the south-southwest at about 9. That westerly component to the wind is something that's going to be characteristic of the next several days, I think, and help to enhance the rainfall chances along the coastline in the morning and inland in the afternoon. 30% chance of those inland showers a little bit later today as our temperature climbs to near 90. And then we'll watch the rain chances kind of taper off until tomorrow morning, when we'll start to increase them again as we get toward dawn, and we probably have a few showers near the coast. We had some showery activity over the last 12 hours near the coastline, some of it heavy at times during the overnight, and now things have kind of lightened up quite a bit. This area of disturbed weather really reaches a pretty good distance out into the Gulf waters, but over land right now things are very quiet. We'll start to see perhaps a few showers build with the heating of the day in inland areas as that southwesterly wind is enhanced by the sea breeze and pushed further inland. As I mentioned, right now everything is very quiet, though if you have some errands to run, whatever, this afternoon looks pretty good for that. I think the showers will start a little bit later in the afternoon, late in the afternoon into the early evening most likely. So we have this kind of trough of low pressure that extends way out into the Gulf waters, plus a frontal boundary located just to the north. Now, over the next 24 hours, we'll watch this little trough of low pressure kind of lift out and move up toward the panhandle before it eventually just fades out completely. High pressure down to our south will again provide us with this westerly wind flow for tomorrow and possibly for the day after as well, though on Wednesday we're probably going to enter into a transition day before we see the winds begin to shift to a more southeasterly direction, which will be kind of typical for this time of year, and that tends to promote showers in inland areas in the afternoon, which drift slowly back toward the coastline later in the evening, something we're all familiar with. Kind of breaks the heating of the day. Nice to have around in the summertime, actually. It'll also probably aid in some of those red tide toxins near the coastline and help with some of the conditions along our beaches. West wind again today, coastal showers first thing again tomorrow morning, followed by showers moving inland in the afternoon again tomorrow and this afternoon as well. Now, over the course of the next several days into the weekend, we'll watch this humid air that's over us due to the westerly wind flow start to be replaced by the drier contours here indicated by blue that'll approach the area and perhaps trim down our rain chances as we head into the weekend. For today, southwest wind comes in at about 10 knots. You can pretty much count on that all afternoon. 2-foot seas, light chop. Of course, red tide still an issue. In the next half hour, we'll show you the map of what the latest Mote Marine red tide reporting is. 30% chance of showers for today and tomorrow. Again, along the coast first, then transitioning into inland areas later in the day. Wednesday, we'll call it kind of a transition day till we get to Thursday, in which our winds will be out of the southeast, more traditional wind direction for this time of year, producing showers inland first. You'll see the skies darken to the east, and then those showers will drift back toward the coastline as we head into the evening. That'll probably hold true on Friday. Drier air will arrive just in time for the weekend.